Yeah, so I actually drove down to this next part of the stream that I always hit, and last time I had a lot of good luck with. So I'm going to make my way in, wet wade down, and I'll tell you what, it's a place where I really do have some deer friends, because there's a deer right there. Okay, we try. I think now is a great time to be using some spinners, and hopefully we get something. We did. Oh my gosh, took me by surprise. It is a very tiny little smallmouth. It took me absolutely by surprise. Buddy, thank you so much for the catch. All right, man. Lovely, lovely. See you later, man. Seeing some bluegills just nip at this. Like I said, I do expect to catch a couple bluegills today. Just fine. Got a smaller lure on at this stage. There's something, what is it? A wee little bluegill. Yep. Well, figured it's part of the game. Buddy, I don't mind catching you. You're pretty cool. Ah! All right. See you later, man. Yeah, I think unless I find a structure to really cast right up against, name of the game is going to be run stream, use spinners. Let's do this. This does look like a deep pocket here. Some shade, some overhang. There's a fish. What do we have? Wee little bluegill. Okay. Well, that's fine. Thought there might be something sitting within there. Buddy, thank you for the catch. See you later, man. Part of the fun of the whole fishing thing is just the little discovery you get to do. Ah! Wee little guy grabbed it. All right, man. Very cool. Get some awesome colors on you. I'll see you later. It's funny, I'm casting right back against the bank that I'm near. But as you can see, it's pretty inaccessible. I'm just getting chased by bluegill. You want it? 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 No. Warm water kind of grosses me out to play in. He must have just hit it on the drop. Dude, you're way too little to be hitting this. You're pretty, but you're way too little. Look at him. So tiny. See you, buddy. Come on, man. I settled on going downstream below the dam. I was not having really any significant luck upstream. So we're gonna just play the spinner through here and go to a spot where I actually caught my personal best smallmouth. Well, my personal best at the time. We're going to see if we can maybe entice something out of there, because that is a fantastic area. But before we do that, always fish the riffles. Always fish places like this, because there's just a great food source, great structure, air quality's better in the stream. Love catching big fish, but all about numbers, man. What do we have? Wee little smallmouth. I mean, probably smallest I've caught in a long time. I knew it would be small, but he's pretty, man. Dude, he is gorgeous. He's gonna be a beauty one day. See you, buddy. Oh, wow, that was bad. You ever just like make a cast and you're like, what is wrong with me? I do that all the time. I do it way too often. I don't want to say all the time, but way too often. There's a nicer one. Still a smallmouth. Happy to just see this population, dude. So happy to see this population. He's small, but he's nice. Dude, he's a gorgeous little guy. See you, buddy. I get to put on a show for you guys. Look at that. Got a fish while they're kayaking. Hi. No, they don't care at all that I'm talking to them. They couldn't care less. Welcome to Northern Virginia, people. All right, buddy. Dude, these guys aren't too big. But man, we're into the smallies now. See you, buddy. I love how I'm talking to those people. I'm just like, hey, good morning. They don't care. Welcome to Northern Virginia. Least friendly people I've ever met. It's always... There's one. What do we have? A wee little smallie? Wee little smallie. Nice, 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 nice. He's tiny, but he makes us happy, dude. Thank you. Well, I was going to show him a little bit better, but hey. There's a fish. Yes, dude. Oh, nice. He's a strong smallmouth. Dude, so happy to have you. Little Nick right there. You'll be all right. All right, man. I'm just amazed at this area. It just looks like it would be holding some absolute monsters, both smallmouth and honestly catfish. There's a fish. Yes, we got him. Oh, there's a little canyon under that rock. That's a nice little smallie, buddy. It's a nice smallie, buddy. Thank you for the catch. I'm walking right here and I about jumped out of my shoes. This is a massive snakeskin, and you can see right here, there's a rattle on that. All right, I'm out of here. That's a good way to end the day. Well, my friends, I'm calling it a day here. I've been out fishing for quite some time, and aside from a couple of smallmouths and a couple of bluegill right at the beginning of the day, it's a beautiful day here. Got outside, enjoyed it regardless. All right, y'all have a wonderful day. Keep tight lines. Best of luck to everybody out there. Remember, even Jesus had a fishing story.